San Leandro Honda, the dealership that cares, knows that consumers looking for a car dealer aren't just interested in having a great inventory. It's about family. Trusted by the Better Business Bureau as the Bay Area's leading Honda dealer, San Leandro Honda is committed to getting your family the best vehicle or service at the best price. Learn more about San Leandro Honda at www.sanleandrohonda.com. While you're there, get a quick quote, become a fan on Facebook, and find out about our specials before anyone else. Speak to an online representative to answer your questions now and see what makes us different than your average dealership. San Leandro Honda is located at 1302 Marina Boulevard in San Leandro, California.